I think Kiwis kind of have that DIY attitude and culture, and renovations fit right into that.
Over the past 12 years, we've renovated 11 houses together. The joy of renovating for me is taking a house that has been neglected and seeing its potential and restoring it back to that. And I love being part of that story.
This house we're in right now is actually where it all began for us in our renovation journey.
We were absolute rookies, but we learned so much through that first renovation.
Some of our favourite things that we look for in a house that would have renovation potential is, can we do a cosmetic makeover inside? First impressions, improving the layout and the flow to a house. Outdoor living spaces and landscaping. I love a nice outdoor living area, be it a deck, and some nice paving and courtyard areas. Kitchens and bathrooms make a massive difference to a house. All of these things can really add value to your property.
In our experience, when you're not rushed to renovate, you really can assess what you want to do, have a strong plan, put a budget in place, live in the house, see how you live in it, and then make plans according to that. So when you find those houses that actually just need a bit of love and attention, a bit of maintenance, you've hit the jackpot there, I think.
State. Insurance for two busy lives.